my grades. It's Ashley from Ashley Makes It, and it's been a good minute. It's been a good minute since the last time I've been in front of the camera. I've been gone for a little bit and I haven't been posting any videos. And when I did post a video, it was a voiceover, so you guys didn't really see my face. But I'm back now and I have tons of new ideas ready for you guys. I have tons of new videos in the works for you guys, and I can't wait for you to see all the new things I have in store. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a post from me. So today's video is about a month old. Yeah. So I finished the DIY back in September sometime, but I just never edited the video. So it's just been sitting on my laptop since September. And it's what, Thanksgiving tomorrow, so yeah. But anyways, a few months ago, a fellow YouTuber and fellow furniture flipper named Ashley Lauren, she did a video, well, she uploaded a video about flipping furniture for cancer. And all of the proceeds were gonna go to charity, go to the BCRF to be specific. And I'll leave a link to her video down below and in the description box, and a link to her channel so that you can check her out. She's really amazing. You'll love her videos. If you like mine, you'll adore her videos. So when I saw her video, I love the idea. I saw her video. I love that video. I DM'd her on IG. I was like, OMG, you're amazing. This is a great idea. I'm going to participate too. She was here for it. And here I am. A whole month. A whole month after Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is October. And almost the end of November, yeah? And better late than never. So the piece that I chose to work with, I got from the Goodwill for a whole $5. Yes ma'am, a whole $5, and it was worth every single penny. Yeah, okay, you guys, y'all be sleeping on the Goodwill, but you know, it's okay. That just means more for me. Anyways, if you're interested in seeing how I turned that gem into a bomb representation of women, of womanhood, of strength, of empowerment, then just stay tuned and keep watching this video. Alright, so this is the piece. I'm definitely gonna be painting it pink in some kind of way. We get the detail on the top. And yes, it was $5. Another Goodwill find. It has some scratches and stuff, but for the most part, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna try a new technique with it. Hopefully it comes out real. Let's go. So this DIY ended up being a series of unfortunate events. I made a lot of mistakes while I was trying to paint this piece, but it's okay because it worked out and it came out on the other side looking really great. So as you can see, the door is off of its hinges, and it wasn't like that when I bought it. It got that way during transportation. So I'm trying to rig up a way for it to fit again by adding a new piece of wood there to replace the missing piece, but as you can see, it did not work out. So I dropped that idea and moved on.
Now I'm mixing my paint. I decided to go with chalk paint this time. The technique I wanted to do was the layered paint technique, in which you use 3 different colors in order to get different layers on your piece. So I decided, instead of using that rose gold color, to just dilute the pink 3 different times with white and get 3 different colors. Spoiler alert, I ultimately failed trying to accomplish this technique, but it's okay because I was still able to make it work out. And don't worry, I'll just keep practicing, and maybe next time I'll be able to show you guys the proper way to do this. So I'm using a water bottle to help the paint go onto the piece smoother. Later on, I will be using it to help me blend the multiple colors that I will be using together, so it doesn't look so abrupt like there are multiple colors. So that's the first coat. I'm gonna give it some time to dry, and then I'll move on to the second coat. Yeah, that happened. All up here. All that good paint gone, gone, just gone. So this pink ended up being rather thin, and it needed several coats in order to get it to this full thickness. But it's really pretty though. I really liked it. I probably could have stopped here, but I didn't. So this is where I use the water bottle to blend my colors. I now have 3 different shades of pink on here, and I should have been using the water the whole time, but I didn't. And so now the darker shade is kind of taking over the entire piece, and that's not really what was supposed to happen. I'm going to ultimately paint over this entire thing. So after my first try at blending failed, this is what I came up with. I don't hate it, it's just not the shade of pink I was going for, and I don't think too many people would want this pink in their home. So since I was already fuchsia, I figured let's go ahead and distress it too. Mistake. Moving on to try number 2 with a lighter color this time. This time I kept my paint far more liquidy, meaning I didn't wait as long to blend the water in, and I think the blending technique worked way better this time around. It's still not perfect, but it was much better than the first try. Okay, toned it down a little bit more. Before it was like really hot pink. Much more toned down now. Still not 100% sure what I'm gonna do with these front, but at least that looks better. That tone is much better. You kind of sort of see the brush strokes, and you see a couple of the layers of color. You can really see it down here. The crevice, a lighter part. Inside is lighter and outside is darker. I like that effect a lot. Looks really good. And it's a really different kind of pink. It's like pink, but it kind of sort of looks purpley or magenta. But anyway, time to stain the top. And I have no idea what I'm going to do about this little design right here. I'm not sure. It may just have to go, because, yeah. Anyways, let's get on it. So I decided to stain the top, and the stain that I use is the Veritane wood stain in vintage or antique white. I started off with a small paintbrush on this one, but I got annoyed pretty quickly and moved on to a bigger paintbrush to help me get this done much faster. This is after the first coat. I used 3 coats total on this. So I took a primer to the inside because I'm going to paint it white. And I was lucky enough to find the missing piece to the door hinge, so I just put some wood glue on it and popped it right back in. I kept the original hardware and just spray painted it a metallic silver. And here's the completed piece. She looks really gorgeous, you guys. I love her so much. If you want to participate in the fight against breast cancer, I'll link the BCRF below so that you can donate directly to them. And stay tuned for a special announcement.
Hey guys, Ashley here. So if you follow me on my Facebook page, then you know that I posted a video recently letting you guys, giving you guys an update on everything going on with the channel and letting you guys know that every week for the rest of the year, I will be giving away prizes. I will be doing giveaways in every single YouTube video going forward. So this one is the first one, and the winner of this giveaway will get a $25 Visa gift card, an e-gift card to be exact, just in case you're, nowhere near me. You will get a $25 e-Visa gift card to use to wherever, if ever, whenever, for whatever. And all you have to do to win is leave me a comment down below and like the video. That's it. And leave me a nice comment. Don't just say your name. Let me know how you feel about stuff. And I will tell you who the winner is in the next video. So if you want to participate, go ahead and do it. We only have about 30 people, 36 subscribers at this point. So there's a really good chance for you to win. So go ahead and make sure you're subscribed. Oh yeah, you have to be a subscriber in order to win. If you're not a subscriber, you're not winning. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you like this video and that you leave me a comment. And that's all you need to do to win. So once again, you guys, thanks for watching. Thank you for the support. And remember to make each day a great day. Now go be great.